Well guys, if you really want to improve your FPS, then watch this video carefully until the end. Even before this guys, I were having trouble with my FPS and I contacted Epic Game and they gave me the solution, and I'm here to share this to you. This gameplay and my FPS look quite better than before, and before it was too laggy and below 50, and it was the worst FPS I can get. So before we start, make sure you drop a like under this video, and you can subscribe my channel later if this process worked for you. And of course, share this video to your friends who are having trouble with their FPS. Okay, enough intro, let's get started. First of all, click on Windows and search Edit Power Plan. Then do as I do. Click on the power option up there. So it is the most important setting for your PC to generate more graphics. So there I have full gaming performance mode. If you don't have that, you can create your own power plan. So from the left side menu, select create power plan. Put the setting on high performance and name it as your wish, and put on next, and then do the settings I do, and then create your own power plan. This is the first thing you have to do. In second, go to your desktop and hold Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open Task Manager. If you cannot open it like that, then click on the search and type Task Manager. This is how you open the Task Manager. And from the top menu, you can see the startup option. Click on it and disable every single which are enabled on the state. You can see the disable on your right side down corner. It will reduce the impact on CPU while you open your computer. So the third step is go to the search and type graphics setting, and where you will see some of the apps are already included over there. But from up there, you have to click on browse, and then make sure you have to go to your Fortnite folder wherever it is you kept, or the default location where the Fortnite usually installed. Then click on the Fortnite games, binaries, then Windows 64, and then select the first one, which is the Fortnite client Win64. Then click on the option below and make it in the high performance and close the window. Now the fourth step, which is the most important to boost your FPS. So do as I do, go to this PC and then C drive, users, and the username you have over there, and then apps data, go to local and scroll down, you will see Fortnite game. Then click on it, hold shift and then delete enter. And if you delete it manually, make sure you clean up the recycle bin. And after deleting the Fortnite games folder, then open your Epic Game Launcher, then click on your profile, and below there is setting. And when you went to the settings, scroll all the way down and find Fortnite. Extend it and you'll see there is an option called additional command line argument, and type this exactly same as I typed, or copy this command line from the description below of the video, which is the feature level ES31. As you apply this command line, it will dramatically increase your FPS. In fifth step, you have to go to your Microsoft Store and search Intel Graphic Commander. And you have to download the beta version of this, which is the advanced one. And on your left, there is a button to install this software. This app contains some powerful settings which improve your FPS. As you successfully done the installation, open this app. As you open the command center, you will see and license agreement shows over here. Accept it, it won't do anything, just accept it, and then you will see some setting on the screen. As you have already installed games, so click on auto detect. It will detect your games you have in your PC. Like I have only Fortnite and Valorant in my PC, so it just detects 2 games over there. Then in next, you have to click on this 3 dot beside it and click on the plus custom and make your own settings over here. Name it as your wish. Like I name it full performance. And then scroll a little bit down and you will see some setting is like anti-aliasing. This is always turned off, and every of these settings should be turned off, like always off. Do everything as I showed, and you will see there's vertical synchronization is also off, and last setting you have to do nothing with it, and make sure you click the save below there. So the setting in Intel Graphics Center, it is done. Now the sixth step, which is very important because you have to check your graphic driver is up to date, because if it is not fully updated, the settings you have done, it won't work. So open your browser and search Intel Support Assistant and click on the first URL, and it will take you to their official website and download the software, which is very recommended. And after that, when you install done, it will show up like this, and if your driver is up to date, there is a green label on it. Or if you already have this software, then you can search from your Windows search, and then you will directly take to their website, and it will say if your graphic driver is up to date or not. So time to launch your game. Before you launch, click on the search and type temp. If you type temp or delete temporary files, click on it, and you have to clear up all the files because you have installed lots of stuff. You can do it every week. So click on temporary files, and of there it will search for the temporary and the junk files in your PC, and then you have to click on remove, and which will remove all the junk file and trash file you don't need or your PC don't need. But make sure you have unchecked the downloads option over there. And now the last and the final step you have to do. So what you have to do, first open your Fortnite and get to the setting and make sure the settings are exactly same as my one. But one thing, 3D resolution have very high impact on your FPS, so you can put whatever you want. But for me, 80 would be better. So that's it. These are the all steps you have to do to boost your FPS. I hope this all will work for you, and you may have very high FPS after this. If it worked, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. I really need subscribers. I really need your support to grow in YouTube. I'm very new here. And also guys, please use my supporter creator code DareDark-YouTube in your Fortnite item shop. So that will also help me so good. And it will make me very happy if you support me, guys. And if you have any question about this video, or if you have problem with other settings or in-game issue, you can write it in the comment section so that I could include it in my next video. So by this time, take care and see you soon in my next video. Goodbye guys.